We have a 2012 Nissan Rogue. How to replace the engine air filter? Well, right behind the battery, it has this rectangle, so it has these little tabs underneath. Okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna push in and up, in and up. Okay, as you can see, it has these little clips on it. So that's how you lock it. You push it all the way in, nice and tight. If you're trying to pull and pull, it's not gonna work. So you push and pull, push and push up. Same thing on the other side. Push and push up. Okay, now you got this cover out. Put it inside. Now you go in and grab the filter. Okay, this is your where the filter goes, and that's your air filter. How you know if your air filter is bad? Oh, you put it against the sun right there, and if you see clear, you don't have to really change it. In my case, because the car, it came for a service every time we do oil change in a dusty car, in a dusty area, or the car comes from a farm or something like that, we like to replace the filters. They're cheap, so it doesn't hurt. If the car comes from the city, you don't get a lot of dust, so you're fine. What you do when you get the new one, the delivery is not here yet with the new one, but when you get the new one, you put it in like that, all the way in like that. Okay, you put it, see these two big things on it, you go all the way down. Okay, and you push it forward. Okay, but anyway, see the slides in this thing? He's gonna wedge himself into it, just like that. Now it's tight. Even the cover, you push it against it, against the air filter housing, and that's it. That's how you replace your air filter in a 2012 Nissan Rogue. You should do this at least once a year, but you know, it's up to you how you like your car. So that's it. Go do it.